We just wrapped up a Jellyfish permanent lighting install on this amazing house. Come check it out with me. So on this house, it had the most lines of roof, most footage that we've installed to date. Very steep roofs. We hit every foot of soffit. We wrapped this entire house. Everywhere you can see is covered. This house had a lot of challenging roof lines. The dormers, the 12-12 peak, the distances. We had to get some boom lifts in here to reach everything. We had a lot of manpower to get all of it wrapped. This house has a standard reverse gable dormer where the roof comes out in a different direction. And the challenge with this was hiding all the wires. There's no attic on the cathedral ceiling up on the big one, but the smaller one, it's 2 separate attics. And we fished wires all through the attics. No wiring exposed, everything very neat and tucked away, very clean.